Good morning, children. Welcome in today's class. Today we will discuss about the railways. Before starting, let's have a quick recap of what we studied in the previous class. In the previous class, you came to know about the meaning of transportation. Means when goods and human beings travel from one place to another place, that is called ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. जब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह सामान या फिर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को भेजा जाता है. पहले अर्ली ह्यूमन दे यूज टू ट्रैवल ऑन फूट. लेटर ऑन दे यूज्ड एनिमल्स फॉर कैरिंग गुड्स. बट with the invention of wheel, it helped them to build various vehicles. And with the development of science and technology, there are variety of fast moving vehicles जो कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूवमेंट करने में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. and the movement has become very comfortable also. Today, the main mode of transport are roads, railways, airways, and waterways. Roadways, there are two types of roads: metalled and unmetalled road. Metalled road or pakki road, and unmetalled road or kachi road. Metalled road are made up of tar, coal, then cement. And unmetalled road, they are found in villages. Roadways are an important means of land transport. They are needed to carry people and goods over a short or long distance. The roads connecting the main cities and ports are called national highways, and these roads are constructed and looked after by the National Highway Authority of India. इनको बनाना और इनका रख रखाव करना ये करता है NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. India has among the largest network of roads in the world. Then there are state highways. These are maintained and built by the state government. Now let's move to the railways. This map shows the network of railways in India. India has a large network of railways. They connect almost all towns and cities of the country. They are the lifeline of our country. The combined length of railways in India is nearly 66,000 kilometers. Now, it is surprisingly to know that Indian Railways network is the second largest in Asia and fourth largest in the world. Indian Railways was introduced by the Britishers. ब्रिटिशर्स ने इंडियन रेलवे इंट्रोड्यूस किया था फॉर देयर ओन बेनिफिट टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द गुड्स and labor from India to their country. When they came in India, तो उन्हें दिखा that India is a very prosperous and very rich country. All type of resources were available here. उन्हें हर type के resources, whether it is metals, then cotton, various spices available था. लेबर भी बहुत ईज़िली अवेलेबल था ड्यू टू द रीज़न ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द कंट्री. यहाँ पे जो काम करने वाले लोग होते थे उन्हें ईज़िली वो यहाँ से ट्रांसपोर्ट करते थे अपने कंट्री में, क्योंकि लेबर बहुत ईज़िली अवेलेबल थे और बहुत कम कॉस्ट पे. सो they introduced railways for their own benefit. उन्होंने अपने खुद की मदद करने के लिए रेलवे नेटवर्क को इंडिया में इंट्रोड्यूस किया. बट इसका बेनिफिट हमें भी बहुत हुआ. ड्यू टू this railway network, it was very easy, it became very easy to move from one place to another place. So the British introduced the railways in India. It's been 166 years. On 16th April 1853, the first run took place. It took place between Mumbai and Thane. This is the image of the first rail which ran between Mumbai and Thane. The steam engine was used. Nowadays they have diesel or electric engines. पहले steam engines का use start हुआ था. अभी फ्यूल यूज़ करते हैं डीज़ल, और जो और डेवलप्ड हो गई हैं तो दे यूज़ इलेक्ट्रिक engines. This has increased their speed. Train journeys have become more comfortable now. We have very fast running trains like Vande Bharat. At present, Vande Bharat is the fastest running train in India, which is also known as Train 18, with operation speed of up to 180 km. Then Gatiman Express, Shatabdi Express, Rajdhani Express. These are some of the trains which are the fastest running train in India. Indian Railway is not only responsible for transportation of human being from one place to another, they also provide many other services. Transportation of goods, जो सामान होता है उसे भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचाना. देन आपके जो आपके पोस्ट होते हैं, जो लेटर्स होते हैं, इन्हें भी ट्रेन के थ्रू एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजा जाता है, जिससे कि वो आपको जल्दी मिल जाते हैं. Cities such as Delhi and Kolkata have metro trains also. Now metro is running in Lucknow also, which allow people to travel easily and quickly within the city. These metros are underground or on elevated tracks. Mumbai also has a good network of local trains. मुंबई में मोस्टली पीपल दे ट्रैवल बिकॉज ट्रैफिक इतना ज़्यादा होता है कि रोड पे आप करते हैं जाते हैं तो वो ऑलमोस्ट 1-2 घंटे लग जाते हैं. सो दिस लोकल ट्रेन्स, people prefer to travel by local trains, and they are the chief means of transport for the people living in the city. So it becomes very easy for people to reach from one place to another place. So instead of using their own vehicle or personal vehicle, people prefer to use local trains.